Okay, as you can see, I already removed the rear lights. If you want to know how I did it, watch my other video. Okay, now we're gonna need to remove these two screws with a T30. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go under the bumper. As you can see here, under the bumper we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So we're gonna have to remove them. Okay. Good. For this one I'm gonna use the ratchet. Okay. That's it. Okay, now we're gonna go in the sides. If you want, you can lift up the car to have a bit more space. Okay, I'm gonna use this small extension for the ratchet. I'm gonna use the plus bit with the ratchet and small extension. We have 1, 2, 3 screws, and we're gonna see if we have more when we start opening more. Okay, let's have a look here. Have to remove this one. Okay, now we're gonna have to remove this one, this cover, using this tool. Okay, as you can see, I wasn't so friendly with this bumper. Okay, we have to use the 7-bit, the 7 mil. We have to use the 7 mil here. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna go in the left side. Again, we have three screws. Okay, we have to remove this as well. Again, have to shake a bit. Easy. Sometimes you're gonna break them. All these pops, you're gonna break sometimes these pops. Sometimes it's very difficult to take them out. Okay. Now open this with a 7 nail socket. Good. Now you're gonna have to remove the bumper, start shaking and pulling out. Okay, do the same thing in the right side. Okay, if you have somebody to help you, ask him. If you don't, it's no problem. If you have sensors like me, those ones there was mounted after this sensor, they are aftermarket, so I'm gonna have to unplug them slowly. But if you have the sensors like original ones, you will gonna find a big plug to unplug that big plug and job done. Okay, let's continue removing this. Okay, this is it. This is the way how we remove the rear bumper for this Fiat 500 Plus 2016. If you like this video, give me one like. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.